Um, Hi, it's me again, Gigimurakami. I was editing this video and I was like, okay, this is gonna be Lord knows how manyth video that I have had up here with just music and like not talking to y'all. Apologies for that. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I don't be knowing what to say. I get all of my talking out during my Twitch streams, so join me on Twitch. But I don't know. Also, I didn't plan to like be talking throughout this video, but I was like, let me talk to y'all. Yeah. I hope your day is going well. I hope your week has been going well so far. My week has been going pretty good. Very productive few days actually. I started planning some projects. One of the projects that I have planned up and I got started on already was is a Berserk fanzine, and I don't know why I didn't start this idea sooner. I'm actually super into this. I've been kind of having a blast just like sketching out some Berserk characters. It's going to be a not safe for work fanzine. So sorry if you are not safe for work age. Maybe I'll put another one in my shop that is like safe for work, that has all the naughty bits not there. But anyway, just like a little side project that I have been working on while I've been creating manga. I actually was working on a few like little side projects. Dude, side projects, when you have like a main like huge long project, taking a little bit of a break to work on some side story stuff or just like some side project stuff, you know, just doing a little side quest, that is like, it's incredible, bro. Like that ish is like, it's so relaxing. It's like finding an oasis in the desert, like while you're en route to like to somewhere else. It's amazing. I highly recommend that all comic and manga artists take breaks from their larger goals and like work on a side quest project. But yeah, in addition to the Berserk zine that I'm just currently now working on, I worked on 2 other like horror one-shots that are on my Patreon. One is on my Patreon, the other one is finished. I'm actually gonna be lettering and doing the screen toning today, so that'll be on the Patreon pretty soon and on my shop as well, I think. Oh yeah, that one will definitely be on the shop. But yeah, right now, yeah, working on side projects is the best, but I am going to be getting a move on with Resenter Chapter 2. The progress that has happened in Resenter is crazy good. Good stuff, all good stuff. Probably not the best thing to talk about during this video, because like this is not Resenter stuff. We'll get into the Resenter stuff during like a Resenter video. But anyway, the piece that I'm working on now is actually it was actually like an experiment. As y'all may or may not have seen or known, I went to Japan this year in the end of March. I also have like a vlog that I did of it on my channel, so definitely check that out. It'll be in the cards up below. Wow. It'll be up top and in the description box. But anyway, I went to Japan and I had picked up some drawing inks from Sailor, the brand Sailor. They typically do like fountain pens and like refillable fountain pens. So the ink for the fountain pens, they also sell separately. And I got a bunch of them while I was in Japan because I saw an artist on Instagram using them for her illustrations, and I was like, these look amazing. I love the way that these like the way that the ink, it's like multicolored. It's really fascinating. It's interesting. But I was like, I really want to start leveling up my illustrations, especially like my like watercolor illustrations and stuff. So because I'm really big into like horror movie posters and like old comic covers and like grindhouse movie poster stuff, like that sort of aesthetic. And those types of images have a lot of different colors. So I was really interested to sort of mix the inks that I found with watercolors. But watercolor can be a lot between like the brushes, the paper that you use, and like it can be a lot. So I was using this piece to test it out, and I'm using watercolor paper here, and this actually came out pretty well. I have quite a few tests on my Instagram too, but yeah, this was a pretty good one. I'm happy with how it came out. And now she's a sticker in my shop. Yay! Hooray, hooray, hooray. If you want this sticker, check out my shop. Link will be in the description below. And big shout out to my patrons on Patreon. Thank you guys so much for your support. And thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.